How's it going, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Black Opinion of the Apple Guy, and today I'm doing a short video on something that I've always wanted to know how to do myself, and I'm sure a lot of other content creators have thought about this also, and that is when you have a shotgun mic, or if you hear a lot of content creators talk about how you can use a shotgun mic as a boom mic, you've always wanted to know, well, how exactly are you going to do that? What kind of cord would they need to do that? And obviously when it comes to shotgun mics, they're pretty simple to use. You simply just take one end, plug it into the side of the shotgun mic, and then the other half would go into the mic jack on your camera. But say you have a camera where you don't have a flip out screen like the A6400 or the A6600, or pretty much most cameras where you have the screen flip up, and you want to put your mic in a different spot so that you can kind of see yourself in your screen. Well, there really wasn't a way of doing it in terms of, if you were to try and find out what kind of cord people were using, there really wasn't really any kind of simple answer, which I thought that I'm just surprised that no one ever actually at least mentioned it. And so I did a little bit of research myself, and that's where I came up with this. Got it in the mail kind of yesterday in the mail. This is known as the Rode vc1 3.5 millimeter stereo audio extension cable. And so this is a 3.5 millimeter extension cable. So what this allows you to do is allows you to basically take your shotgun mic, and if you wanted to put it in a separate spot aside from being on top of your camera, you have 3.5 millimeters of cord to do that. Basically how it works is, and it's pretty simple, you just take one end, this end will plug into the mic jack on your camera, and then the other end, the end right here, this would simply just this would be what you plug the shotgun mic into. So say I want to use my shotgun mic in a different spot other than on my camera. Well, if I didn't have one of these type of extension cables, then I wouldn't be able to do that. I kind of would have to leave it on my desktop or on my camera. So if I'm filming a video and I'm kind of sitting a little bit further away from my shotgun mic, although you will get good audio, sometimes with directional mics, the closer you are to it, the better the audio. So you simply would just take one end and you would simply plug it in to the little hole, as you can see, like that, and then that's it. And then you can pretty much just mount this pretty much anywhere you want, because as I said, you have 3.5 millimeters of cord to kind of contend with. And again, it really allows you to mount and to stick this pretty much anywhere on your desk set. And I was just surprised that there weren't a lot of people that even mentioned this or even put this in their video in terms of, and the links in the description where you could get one of these. But especially if you're a first-time content creator and you wanted to do something like this, or you needed a solution that would work without having to worry about kind of clustering up your camera with a whole bunch of stuff, this is actually one way of doing it. And again, I'll have a link in the description for this if you want to take a look at this. Now, you don't have to buy the Rode version, even if you have a Rode microphone, but I prefer buying the same brand of anything because that's just how I am. But this is what you would use to simply just take your wireless, oh, I'm sorry, not your wireless, but you would take your simple shotgun mic, and you could pretty much stick this on any mount that you want, whether it's like an Elgato Master mount or a clamp, and you want to stick this in a spot that's just perfectly fine for the shotgun mic to sit. You simply again take this part and you would plug it into the microphone head jack, or the microphone jack on your the microphone head jack on your camera, and that's pretty much it. And like I said, it's a pretty simple solution. I'm just surprised I've actually never mentioned it or even put it in a description, so you can at least go look and buy it. But I will have a link in the description for this if you want to take a look at this. And that is all that I have for today. Which is, like I said, it's just a short video that I just wanted to address because I was so surprised that no one actually had a link in the description for this. And being a solo content creator myself, I know there's others out there who probably are looking for this type of a solution but didn't really know what type of cord they would use, or kind of have to go through a whole lot of different types of configuring their desk just to get this to work like this. But yep, that's it. It's pretty simple, easy, straightforward. I believe it was like around $20-ish or so, 23 I think is what it was. But again, I have a link below if you want to take a look at it. And that's it. And so I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because I got a lot of cool things coming in. I got another really cool piece of tech that I believe will help a lot of solo creators such as myself and others out there who are looking to want to up their video content. And so stay tuned for that video. And again, my name is Black Opinion, the Apple Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video.